So yeah, Compass is definitely an important part of every aspect of the business. It manages all of our key client deliverables, but also some really important internal milestones as well.
I'm Julianne Cabana, and I'm here today to discuss Alta Sciences and how we truly integrate our service offering. With me today, I have Ingrid Holmes and Lynn Lesauteur. Can you elaborate a little bit about Compass? Because I feel that that is a tool that really sets Alta Sciences apart from a lot of other CROs.
So yeah, Compass is definitely an important part of every aspect of the business. It manages all of our key client deliverables, but also some really important internal milestones as well. So it is a scheduling system. It's intended to track the major milestones of every project we run in all of our service offerings. So it's not just a clinical program or just a bioanalysis program. It takes a protocol and all of the services that are required for it, and it builds out the major pieces of that schedule and the commitments we've made to the client.
Yeah, and just to add to what Ingrid's saying is Compass is managed and monitored very closely, so expectation is on a weekly, if not daily aspect, it's updated, and it's a way to manage change, because change will happen.
Yes, absolutely.
And it's a way for us to control and manage and do better because of this change. So for example, if one group is behind because some inadvertent thing happened in the study, well, we're going to catch up. We still know the ultimate delivery. So that's a huge advantage of working with clients across the different departments and for a program.
Yeah. And where it becomes even, I think, really, really critical is when we're talking about program management. So, we work very often together, we're close, it's natural for a clinical trial to have a bioanalysis component. But when we're talking about involving our CDMO, involving preclinical in a program for the same drug, I can have information about that drug while it's in preclinical. I can see without really having to ask anybody, how are things going? I don't necessarily have all the results, but I can see that their studies are progressing. I can see that they're hitting certain milestones, and that will inform us to say, well, we can keep an eye on it without actually having to have as many discussions, which is really great.
Thank you so much for joining me today, and I really hope that we were able to show all of you out there how Alta Sciences integrates its solution offering. Thank you again for joining, and I hope you have a great day.